Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're finding this content useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the product or service. In this video, we'll be exploring Regions Bank, regions.com. Their website serves as a central hub for a wide array of financial services, catering to both individual and business needs. Navigating the site, you'll discover options for checking and savings accounts, a variety of loan products including mortgages and auto loans, wealth management services, and specialized resources for businesses. Regions also offers convenient digital banking tools for managing your finances on the go. One notable aspect of Regions' online presence is the emphasis on financial education. They provide resources and tools designed to empower customers to make informed decisions about their money. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, Regions aims to be more than just a bank, but a financial partner. The website's layout is generally user-friendly, allowing for easy access to key information. You can explore various account types, learn about different loan options, and delve into their wealth management services. The site also highlights the bank's commitment to community involvement and financial wellness initiatives. While Regions primarily operates in the southeastern United States, their online platform provides a consistent experience for customers across their service area. It's worth taking the time to thoroughly explore the website and see how Regions' offerings align with your specific financial goals. Whether you're looking for a new checking account, planning for retirement, or seeking financing for your business, regions.com is a valuable resource to explore. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial products and services designed to meet a wide range of needs. Remember, managing your finances effectively is crucial, and Regions provides the tools and resources to help you achieve your financial objectives. So head over to regions.com and discover what they have to offer.